Welcome to Autofaze. So today we are changing up the wheel setup on the truck. It's something honestly that we've been wanting to do day one when we got it, and I am super stoked that we're going to do it. We're headed to NSK Kustoms. We've done a lot of photo shoots with those guys, a lot of Weld Wheels photo shoots with those guys, and we've shot a lot of the Weld Cheyenne. I think we did a Dodge and a couple Silverados with the Cheyenne wheels, and I think those are really going to match the best for the S71s that we have on the WS6, and I think it's going to look so good together. We're going to make the mid-2000s cool again. I'll see you at NSK. Hey Brett, what's going on today, man?
What's going on, Travis?
So as you know, man, we have our WS6. I'm really thinking we need to switch from the RGP 20x12s to like a weld wheel. That way when it's on the trailer, it just looks absolutely crazy. You got any welds in stock?
You know we got the welds in stock. Follow me, I'll show you. We'll show you a couple options, but we already got you a surprise. Right here is a 20x10 chasm. Right here is a 22x12 gradient. But everybody knows this is the 2212 Cheyenne, but we got you the 20x10 8-on-6.5 Cheyenne. This is one of the popular wheels with weld. It was in their Forge series. They brought it into the Flowform series and is like the top seller. So that's what we're gonna throw on your truck today.
So I think the 20x10 will be perfect. It kind of gets the rocks off the front nose of the WS6 when it's on the trailer. And what I'm thinking is we do the ultimate NSK custom wheel and tire package experience. Maybe we let the people out there kind of see how well you guys take care of trucks. We do it on our truck. Can we go in the back? I know typically you don't let people do that. What do you think?
I already know we're gonna let you in the back. Do what you do. Always best pictures and videos. Follow me, watch your truck.
You guys saw the truck out front. We're gonna cut to some driving scenes. I'm so excited to go drive this thing. This is exactly what we've been really wanting to do since we got this truck, is rock weld wheels on the truck. This thing with the W6 on the trailer is gonna be absolutely insane. Let's go check out this thing on the highway. thing turned out absolutely insane. I can't thank Brett enough for allowing us to come in, film the ultimate experience, and get the truck looking right for racing season. Brett, you want to tell people anything, man?
Just if y'all need anything with us, we'll take care of you, as well as Travis. Make sure, you know, he always has the best videos, the best photos. He always takes care of us. So we take care of him. I hope you guys like the video that he made. The truck looks great, and it's not done yet. We still got control arms to do.
Oh yeah, the cat's out of the bag now. So for you guys that don't know, a couple weeks ago, as you know, I couldn't fit the truck in the garage, so we went and we painted the rockers. Well, after that, I brought it to Brett at NSK. We've done a lot of photo shoots together over the years, and I was like, man, I got a lot of play in the front end. We need to do wheel bearings, the Kryptonite Ultimate front end package. And Brett was like, man, I got you. Did it in one day. Literally, I dropped it off, went to work. Later that evening, he's like, come pick the truck up. It's done. I couldn't believe it, man. So customer service is absolutely incredible. The quality is there, as you've seen the stuff we've done over the years. You just saw what we did with the Riff Raff truck. If you got a truck in the Midwest and you're not here, you're missing out.
Yeah, we'll definitely take care of you, so just come and see us.
So thanks for watching. Brett, hit him with it, man.
That's all I got.
See you on the next one.